Breaking new ground, exploring innovations and firsts. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's all about innovation and exploration, breaking new ground. This expression is widely used in both everyday and professional language, and understanding it can really help you grasp the essence of many English conversations. So, let's get started and uncover what it truly means to break new ground. Breaking new ground is an idiom that originates from agriculture, where it literally meant to plow land for the first time to create new fields for crops. However, in today's context, it has a broader metaphorical meaning. When someone is breaking new ground, they are doing something innovative or something that has not been done before. It's about venturing into uncharted territory, whether in science, art, business, or any other field. This phrase celebrates creativity, initiative, and the courage to step away from the familiar and try new approaches. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. A scientist breaking new ground in cancer research by discovering a new treatment method. An artist breaking new ground with a unique style that challenges traditional forms of art. A startup breaking new ground in the tech industry with an innovative product that changes how we interact with technology. These examples show that breaking new ground can be applied to a wide range of activities and achievements. It's about pioneering and setting new benchmarks in any field. Now, let's put our phrase into practice. Here are a few sentences to help you start using breaking new ground in your conversations. Their new environmental policy is breaking new ground for corporate sustainability. By integrating virtual reality in classrooms, the school is breaking new ground in education. The film director is known for breaking new ground with her innovative storytelling techniques. Notice how the phrase can be used to commend someone's efforts or to highlight the novelty of an idea or project. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and usage of breaking new ground. This phrase is a powerful way to talk about innovation, creativity, and the courage to explore new horizons. We hope this video has been enlightening and will inspire you to recognize and celebrate the groundbreaking efforts in the world around you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful English language learning content. See you in the next video.